Does your vehicle's body look like this? How about your suspension? Don't let bad body mount bushings lead to imperfections in your ride. Imperfections in your ride can lead to misalignment of your doors, leaks in your windows, and trouble opening the doors, trunks, and hood of your vehicle. Sometimes the entire car may lean to one side. The only solution to worn out body mount bushings is total replacement. Before we dive too far into why it's important to replace your body mount bushings, we feel it's necessary to answer a very important question. What are body mount bushings and why are they important to your vehicle? Most, if not all, vehicles will come standard with OEM rubber body mount bushings. These bushings reside between the frame and body, cushioning road and engine vibrations from the body. That means without these bushings, your ride would not be very smooth, vibrate dramatically, and there would be a lot of metal on metal, which would also cause a lot of damage. Often overlooked, deterioration happens over time. The gradual decline may not be noticeable, however, the impact on proper vehicle operation is important. Replacing your rubber body mount bushings every 7 to 8 years is crucial to restoring the ride and safety. Energy Suspension's performance polyurethane body mount bushings are more durable and will last longer than going with replacement rubber bushings. This means more time before your next replacement, saving you money on parts and labor. In addition to lasting longer, they will ultimately lead to a more comfortable ride, especially when replacing worn out, cracked, and deteriorated bushings like these. Our body mount bushings are available in both black and red, and all Energy Suspension parts are backed by a 7-year, 750,000-mile warranty. Replacing your body mount bushings is something you can do yourself depending on your skill level and what tools you have available. Make sure to check our installation videos on our YouTube channel for tips on how to best approach these jobs. Don't let bad body mount bushings lead to imperfections in your ride. Do it right the first time and upgrade to Energy Suspension's Performance Polyurethane.